Hey YouTube friends, that's just a short video demonstration about why not to buy a no-name, beautiful looking guitar like this Les Paul copied on Amazon because it's a mystery, might have a lot of problem, okay? If it's a Leo Jams or Mitchell or Grote, it might be a pretty good quality, but if it's a no-name, then I don't suggest to buy it, okay? A lot of things could be wrong with that. Pickups, electronics, the neck might not be straight. It could have a lot of fret buzz because the frets are not leveled, not sanded. Um, fret ends could be sharp. This one is not, and the neck is straight, thanks God. So that's why I could put the action down. It plays very good, but the pickups are microphonic. Okay, let me show you that. And I'm not touching the strings. You can hear a lot of feedback, okay? And let me show you something. Somebody can tell, wow, that's a beautiful, wonderful, long sustain, you know? Yeah, it's possible to do that with this guitar because the pickups are microphonic, okay? So you can have a long sustain if you are, do your vibrato. Yeah, but at the same time, it's getting all kind of other feedback, so the pickups are noisy. They are muddy, not clean, and noisy, okay? Hear that? Let me play something else with a really high gain setting. Yep, it can sound heavy. Yeah, but as I told you, it's very noisy. Okay? So, my suggestion is just go for a brand name. Even if it's not a big name, kind of like some American company, totally made in China, like Leo James. Yeah, but it's still uh, pretty good quality because they have a quality control. Okay? Thank you.